In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online, how to change the company name. If you need to update your company name in QuickBooks Online, the good news is that it only takes a moment once you know where to look. This is a simple setting, but it's important because your company name can appear across your account and on business documents, so you'll want to make sure it's accurate before saving any changes. To get started, log into QuickBooks Online and look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the gear icon there. Go ahead and click that icon because this is where many of the main account options and administrative settings are located. Once the menu opens, look for Account and Settings and select it. This will take you into the area where you can manage key information related to your business profile. Depending on your screen size or layout, the page may open in a panel or a full settings window, but the option you need will be the same. When you're inside Account and Settings, find the section that shows your company name. In that area, click Edit. This will allow you to update the current company name to the new one you want to use. Carefully type in the correct name and take a quick moment to review it for spelling, capitalization, and formatting. Since this information may be used throughout your QuickBooks account, it's a good idea to make sure everything looks exactly the way you want it. After you change the company name, save the update. Once that's done, your new company name will be applied, and that's all there is to it. As a quick tip, if you don't see the option to edit these settings, make sure you're signed in with the appropriate permissions, since some account settings are only available to admins or users with higher level access. It's also a smart idea to double-check any forms or documents you use regularly after making the change, just to confirm the updated company name appears correctly. And that's it. That's how to change the company name in QuickBooks Online quickly and easily.